Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make egg fried rice in an electric kettle. First, gather all your ingredients, including 1 cup of rice, 2 eggs, and some soy sauce. Begin by rinsing your rice thoroughly under cold water until it runs clear. Then, add the rinsed rice to your electric kettle along with 1½ cups of water. Boil the water until the rice is cooked and all the water is absorbed. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Next, let's prepare the eggs and vegetables. Whisk 2 eggs in a bowl with a pinch of salt and pepper until well combined. You can cook these separately in a pan or, if your kettle allows, carefully scramble them in the kettle after the rice is removed. Also, dice a small onion and a few cloves of garlic. Have any other vegetables, such as frozen peas or diced carrots, ready to add later. Now it's time to bring everything together. If your kettle has a sauté function, add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Sauté the diced onion and garlic until they become fragrant and slightly softened. Then, carefully add your cooked rice back into the kettle. Stir in the scrambled eggs and any prepared vegetables like peas or carrots. Mix everything gently to combine all the ingredients evenly. Finally, let's season our delicious fried rice. Pour in about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, adjusting to your taste preference. For an extra layer of flavor, add a teaspoon of sesame oil. Stir everything well to ensure the seasoning is evenly distributed. Once heated through, transfer your kettle-made egg fried rice to a serving bowl. Garnish with fresh, chopped green onions and enjoy your quick and easy meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.